What's going on, guys? In this video, I want to show you an easy workaround if you face this problem. This PC can't be upgraded to Windows 10 when you try to update to Windows 10 version 1903. To show you the workaround, I'm gonna update this PC by mounting ISO quickly. So, here is the problem. When you see this error, just quit the update by click the X button. Then eject all removable drives from the PC. If you are using installation media such as USB flash drive or DVD to update Windows 10, copy the files on the installation media to your local drive. Then run setup again. Choose continue from where I left off. After this, the update should proceed normally. You might want to watch my video about how to update to Windows 10 1903 by ISO if you want to know more.